Want to discover and check out challenges on Duolingo but not sure where to look? I'm Simran from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to uncover and view exciting challenges on Duolingo. Let's get started. First, launch Duolingo on your device. Tap on the treasure icon at the bottom of your screen. Duolingo currently offers 3 types of challenges: daily quests, monthly quests, and friend quests. Keep in mind that Duolingo is frequently testing new features, so your experience might differ. In the quest section, you can view and participate in the available challenges. And that is how you check challenges on Duolingo. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.